Good afternoon, I am Stephanie, and that day of today I will talk about relevant moments of life. First, my family was destroyed because my mother got bipolar disorders and my father separated of her. Okay. This is photo where I remember to my mother. Second, when I was pregnant. And third, when my mother-in-law died. Mother-in-law. To continue goal setting, I am going to train and study in every day or weekends that I can. I will finish my studies. I will take care to my family the best possible. I'm going to study 5 hours days. I will save money to pay semester the university. Okay, for this I must have a good average and more knows of the government. I must continue with my English language studies and keep a positive attitude every day. This is going to tell me the desired future studies. I consider that I comply with all the points of the challenge. Okay, so it was all for today. Goodbye.